Welcome, friends. This is CA Rajan Kothari signing up from Mumbai, India. Today is India's Independence Day, so I think it's the best time to make a video clip for how to get a financial freedom. There are simple, easy way to get a financial freedom, and I'm going to explain to you in a lucid language. The first one is a compounder. The compounder is like you invest the small money in good investment and it fetch you a fantastic return. You have to start at early age. If you start and investing at the age of 20, that would be a different scenario if you would start investing at the age 30. The earlier you start, you make more wealth during your retirement age. So start at a young age. Second, we have the habit of using the credit card and we forget to pay the credit card. The credit card bill, credit card company makes a lot of money in the interest payment. Their interest payment goes up to 40%. So as soon as you buy something on credit card, they have a 30 days leverage policy. So what basically you do, once you buy, just set up a reminder note that you have to pay on such and such date and pay immediately on such day. The rate of interest goes up to 40%. So be careful on credit card usage. The third is I would definitely suggest you to invest in appreciable asset rather than appreciable asset. The superb and classic example is invest in a car manufacturing company rather than purchasing the BMW and Mercedes Benz. You would make more money. You would make more money in investing appreciable assets vis-a-vis depreciable assets. The fourth point is taking loan. Your return on loan should be more than your rate of interest. Then you should take a loan. Don't take loan for a personal usage. Home loan is considered as is good till you have a leverage up to 10 times of your salary or monthly income. So limit your loan take. And the fifth point is the best thing in yourself is invest in yourself. Get more educated to the latest technology. Spend more time to understand how the social media works, how to do advertising on this social media and increase your business. Thank you very much and have a wonderful Independence Day to all of you. Thank you and I'm signing off. Thanks. Bye.